Hey guys, welcome back to Robu. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, and today this is a very exciting video, a very exciting announcement. We're doing a very big giveaway for you guys. Yes, we're giving away Robo points worth 2000, 1000 and 500 rupees. So the first prize winner gets 2000 rupees, the second gets 1000 and the third gets 500 rupees. Very exciting giveaway. All you have to do to enter in this giveaway is that you have to just click the link down below as the first link and just complete those 3 tasks. 3 simple clicks and you enter the giveaway. So yeah, I know a lot of you people have been asking for coupons or giveaways or something, and we're finally doing it. So enter, check the link down in the description, go to it, complete those 3 tasks and just have fun. Again, we'll be announcing the winners in 10 days time, so enter quickly. 3 simple tasks, 3 simple clicks and you have entered. So enter, and all the best to all of you guys, and that has been it. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time.